Fact 7. Jamaicans have some of the most interesting names for places. For instance, Tanansi in Trelawney. It's a place where you just stand and see the most spectacular view. Then you have a place called Corn Post Gap, Yemen, in St. Thomas. Legend has it that a hiker got lost and then he found a puss, he corned it and he ate it. Yes. And then we have Minosen, Unocom, which is in Cockpit Country, St. Elizabeth. The Maroons named it this because them tried to dissuade strangers from coming into their territory. Somebody lead them and dissuade them from coming and lead them out to some tortuous routes so them don't come back again. So me no send, I didn't send for you, so you don't come. I saw it go. I read that. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?